Hello everyone. In today's topic, we'll see about Vastu Purush Mandala. This is very important topic of Indian knowledge system. We'll see Introduction to Vastu Purush Mandala, mythological origin of the Vastu Purusha, concept of the mandala, types of mandalas used in architecture, role in temple layout and design, symbolic representation of the cosmos, directional deities and spatial division, influence on ancient India architecture. Let's see one by one. What is actually the Vastu Purusha or Vastu Purush? Actually, it is a sacred geometric diagram used as the foundation for planning buildings, especially temple. You can observe this diagram and the word written here. Main is Brahma. You can observe this block. This is a square diagram. It represents the cosmic order applied to architectural design. Vastu Shastra contains a vast subject of the traditional Indian system of architecture that controls our mind, life, and fate. Actually, the very interesting story behind this Vastu Purusha. It follows the discipline of construction as per the laws of nature and its element. However, we often wonder about the fascinating origin of Vastu Shastra. This Vastu Purush Mandal is the core philosophy of ancient India architecture planning. Mythological origin of the Vastu Purusha. According to ancient texts, a cosmic being named Vastu Purush was pinned down by gods to maintain order. His body became the basis for dividing the space in architecture. Here you can observe the cosmic force, different forces, air, fire, earth. Concept of the mandala, geometric plan. The Vastu Purusha mandala is not just a chart or picture with many cells and squares. It shows the intersection and the energy currents that flow in the human body. According to Vastu Purusha, Vastu Shastra, we know this energy current profoundly impacts our mind, body, and soul. Here you can observe this diagram. After the completion of the building, the inhabitants living there can experience the effect of the same. The diagram is depicted in the square. This is a square pattern. 360-degree chart format. The diagram is divided into 9 into 9, 81 parts of square. In this diagram, we find Brahma. This is Brahma in the central part known as a Brahmasthan and 44 deities in their determined place. Okay, remaining 44 in this place. Concept of the mandala, that is geometrical plan. This 45 deities we are seeing, in that 32 gods are shown in the external closure and 13 deities in the internal closure. They rule various aspects of our life according to their inherent qualities. The core theory of any Vastu planning and design stand above the Vastu Purush Mandala. Every construction is based on the Vastu Purush Mandala only. The room of the houses has to be planned according to the characteristics of energy field among the 45 deities. Vastu Purush Mandala with 8 by 8 64 squares called the Chandita Mandala. However, the diagram which shows the 9 into 9 81 chords is called as a Paramasaika Mandala. Different mandalas are there. The Vastu professional use the Paramasaika Mandala to design home, places and Mandaka Mandala to design temple. Types of mandalas used in architecture. These are the different mandalas used in architecture. The 64 grid and 81 grid are the most common. Role in temple layout and design. We observe the temple layout, that is main Garbha Griha is here, Mandapa is here. You can observe and you can match this mandala with Vastu Purush body. This is a Vastu Purush. You can observe the part of Garbhagriha with this mandala is here, and you can Gopuram, you can match with the fit of the Vastu Purusha. The mandala determines the placement of the sanctum, that is Garbhagriha, halls, entrance, and surrounding structure. The central square is reserved for the main deity. This center square is reserved for main deity. Symbolic representation of the cosmos. Here you can observe the fire, air, earth. The mandala The mandala symbolizes the universe, with the center representing the divine presence and the outer square representing the earthly and cosmic forces. You can observe the earth, water, air, fire, and space here. This central square, that is the Brahmasthan, represent the balance of the entire space and is occupied by the deity Brahma, while the overall figure, the Vastu Purusha, represent the man whose body is mapped onto the structure. Directional deities and spatial division. Here you can observe the main Brahma. You can observe this next one circle and the remaining 45 devatas. Each square of the grid is assigned to a specific deity or cosmic energy. This divine allocation guide where the different architecture elements should be present. You can read the names of the deities. You can check the location also. Influence on ancient Indian architecture. Vastupurush Mandala shaped the design of the ancient temples, towns, places, and even residential structure based on the Vastupurush Mandala, ensuring harmony between humans, nature, and the cosmos. Thank you. If you have any doubt regarding this Vastupurush Mandala, you can tell me, you can write in a comment box.